In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to make self-portrait t-shirt design in Illustrator with just 3 colors: pure white, darker gray and lighter gray. Let's start the video. Take your favorite picture that you want to vectorize, then open it in Photoshop if it's a color photo like mine. So now open layer panel, shortcut is F7. Then take a new adjustment layer from the bottom of the layer panel and then apply the black and white option. What we gonna do, we gonna black and white it as it's a color photo and we are selecting black white kind of effect. So we have to black and white the photo first, okay? Once you are satisfied by the effect, then again go to adjustment layer and this time we will select levels to lower the gray part. Now our photo is ready to draw. Now open it in Illustrator. Here you will have the image trace option at the top while selecting your picture. If you choose the black and white logo tracing option, your image will immediately turn into black and white cartoon kind of picture. You will have tracing panel option too, where you can play with the options until you satisfy. But not every picture will give you the best result, so I always prefer to draw. First of all, double click on the layer which will be the reference picture and dim the picture layer into 50% so that we can draw easily and we can see our drawing lines. Okay, now create a new layer. We will draw the black part here. Here I am using two tools: pen tool for the perfect shape like the sunglasses and all this, and pencil tool for rough outlines like here extra shades. So now it's drawing time. Draw the black part as per your image. For here, I am using here pencil tool as I told before.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work cause my boss is a jerk and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life cause I don't feel alive and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
take another layer to make the darker gray portion. Remember, it should be below the black drawing layer, okay? Now again draw with darker gray and as per your image shades. So finally, we will take another layer for our lighter gray portion. That also should be below the darker gray layer option, okay? Now just draw wherever you find to give a light shade. Lastly, add some finishing touches wherever you find necessary, like I am adding darker gray to my hair. Now select your favorite quote from internet And of course, if you have in your mind, then you can always add that. Now place it according to your choice. So this was all for today, guys. I hope you have learned and enjoyed this video. If you do so, please hit the like button. And if you are new and you want to learn about art, both digitally and hand drawings, then please do subscribe our channel. In this channel, we discuss all about art that I know, the process, the materials, those kind of stuff. And of course, if you have anything in your mind, any opinion or any kind of art tutorial that you want to learn, please let me know in the comment section below. I will definitely try to make those. Thank you so much for watching. I will be back on my next video. Till then, bye.